Hi peeps, and welcome to another bear report. This time Durban, KZN, South Africa. You can see palm trees behind me moving slightly. Southwest of chops only about 10 knots now. Blew nicely earlier today. You can see it's still blowing out to sea. And we've got nice warm water up and down the coast, peeps. It's basically 24 degrees up and down the coast. See out on the shoal it's nearly 26 degrees. And off the buoy of Durban, 26.2 degrees, so yeah, lekker warm water. There's quite a few snook around, some kudu on the north, yellowfin tuna, Dorados, it's all happening. Even heard some guys got a Saily this morning there, degC, so somewhere off Durbs, a lot of Dorado. So yeah, summer game fish is full up. We have some pretty good weather tomorrow. Got a very light southwesterly in the afternoon and no wind in the morning. A 1.7 meter swell running. I see currents gone reverse on the shoal and here off Durban. So that north-south has been slowed down a bit. Oh, I dived this morning down at Pennington. There was a hectic north-south current on it. Yeah. Not much happening there this morning. Tides tomorrow, 6 o'clock in the morning. We have a low tide and we got a high at 12:30, just after Neeps. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you folks today, That's an aware from the bear. And as always, dive safe and stay safe.